Is your Ford Mustang key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot. First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. Most Mustang key fobs use a CR232 battery. Pry open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver and replace the battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented. If a battery change doesn't fix it, the fob might be out of sync with your Mustang. We'll cover resyncing in the next section. Less commonly, the car's receiver module can fail. Signs of this include the fob working intermittently or not at all, even with a new battery. If resyncing doesn't work, receiver failure is possible. Consult a mechanic for diagnostics, using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1381. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try resyncing your key fob to your Mustang. The exact process varies slightly by model year. For many Mustangs, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine, and then press the lock or unlock button on the fob. Some models may require a sequence of turning the key on and off. Listen for a chime or look for a light indicating successful resync. Refer to your owner's manual or Ford Pass app for model-specific instructions. For Mustangs with Ford Pass, the app can also be used to resync the fob in some cases, avoiding manual methods. If none of these steps work, the receiver or fob itself may be faulty and require professional attention.